Hello dear aspirants, another learning capsule from ICD. Look at this question. The distance from A to B is 60 kilometers. Ram and Rahim start from A at the same time and move towards B. Ram takes 4 hours more than Rahim to reach B. Moreover, Ram reaches the midpoint of A and B 2 hours before Rahim reaches B. The speed of Ram in kilometers per hour. We have to focus on what is asked. What is asked? Speed of Ram. So speed of Ram is distance travelled by Ram, which is 60 kilometers, divided by time taken by Ram. So we are very clear on that. Now let us proceed. This is A and B distance, which is 60 kilometers. Ram takes 4 hours more than Rahim. So Rahim takes say x hours, so Ram takes x plus 4 hours. Clear? Now moreover, Ram reaches the midpoint of A and B 2 hours before Rahim reaches. So the midpoint, to cover the midpoint, Ram will take x plus 4 by 2. From A to B, Ram will take x plus 4. So to reach the midpoint, Ram will take x plus 4 by 2. This is the time taken by Ram to reach the midpoint. And this time x minus 4, as per the question, this time x minus 4, sorry, x plus 4 by 2, the time taken by Ram, x plus 4 by 2 is 2 hours, 2 hours before Rahim reaches B. So this is x minus 2. What is this? The time taken by Ram to reach the midpoint. What is this? The time taken by Rahim is x minus 2, 2 hours before. So we know that x plus 4 by 2 is equal to x minus 2. We shall solve. X plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 4, or x is equal to 8. So we know that Rahim will take 8 hours, Ram will take x plus 4. What is x plus 4? 12 hours. Now we got all the inputs. What is the distance? 60 kilometers. How much time does Ram take? 12 hours. So what is the speed of Ram? 60 by 12, 5 kilometers per hour. This is your answer. Very simple question, intelligent question. You have to know the concepts, that is all. Question number 2. When they work alone, B needs 25% more time to finish a work than A does. The two finished the job in 13 days in the following manner. A worked alone till half the job was done, then A and B worked together for 4 days, and finally B worked alone to complete the remaining 50% of the job, sorry 5% of the job. In how many days can B alone finish the entire job? Look, the entire edifice of this particular chapter, time and work, revolves around this equation: work is equal to efficiency into time. From this we know that efficiency is work by time, time is work by efficiency. What is asked? In how many days B alone take to do the job? In how many days can B alone? So B's time is asked. What is time? Work by efficiency is time. So in how many days can B do the job? To answer this question, we require two inputs: what is the work and what is the efficiency of B. Okay, so let us start. The question says that B needs 25% more time to finish the job than A does. So there are two people, A and B. As far as time is concerned, if A takes 100 time, B takes 125 time. So time is 100 is to 125, or 4 is to 5. Time ratio is 4 is to 5, then efficiency ratio must be 5 is to 4, because we know that time and efficiency are inversely proportional. A's efficiency is 5, B's efficiency is 4. Look, we got one aspect. What is that? B's efficiency is 4. We got the denominator here 4. Now we need to know what is the work. Let us explore further. The question says that they did the job in 13 days, okay, in the following manner. A alone did half the job, so A did 50% of the job. Then A and B worked together, okay, A and B worked together for some days which we do not know. Finally B worked alone and completed 5% of the work. So look, A alone did 5%, B 50%, B alone did 5%. So this in itself is 55%. So what is the balance work? 45%. This 45% work is done by A and B together, and together they work for 4 days. So it is clear now. What is clear? To do 45% work, to do 45% of the work, to do 45% of the work, A and B took 4 days. So to do the full work is always 100%. How many days will they take? We can find out. Broken chain, we can find out. 4 days into 100 by 45. So 20 by 9. Look, this is the time taken by A and B to do the full job. How did we get? I shall explain once again. To do 45% of the work, A and B took 4 days. So to do the full work 100%, how many days? Broken chain, 4 days into 100 by 45, 20 by 9. So what is this? This is the time taken by A and B. Look, A and B are having 9 efficiency. 9 efficiency took this many days. What is work? Efficiency into time. Work is efficiency into time. So this much time was taken by 9 efficiency. So what is the work? Days into efficiency. This is the work. So what is the work? 9 and 9 get cancelled. 80 is the work. And who does this 80 work? Done by B. What is asked is, how long will B take to do the job? So to do 80 work, B having 4 efficiency will take 20 days, which is your answer. Question number 3. In an examination, the maximum possible score is N, while the pass mark is 45% of N. A candidate obtains 36 marks but falls short of the pass mark by 68%. Which one of the following is then correct? Okay, very simple question. What is the score that you require? The maximum score. Okay, maximum score is N. What is the minimum required to pass? Minimum required to pass is 45% of N. Now the question says one particular candidate got 36 marks, but that candidate falls short of the pass mark by 68%. Look, falls short of the pass mark by 68% means that candidate got only 100 minus 68, 32%. I hope it is clear to you. The person who got 36 marks failed by 68% means he obtained only 32% of what? Of the pass mark. Pass mark is 45% of N. So 32% of 45% of N is what that particular candidate in question got, and that is given as 36 marks. This is representation in percentage, this is actual. So this is, what is this? 32 divided by 100 is all about calculation, into 45 divided by 100 of N is equal to 36 marks. So now just calculate, this is 9 times, this is 8 times, okay. So this gets cancelled 5 times, this is 20. So by 4 it is 2 times 25, 10. So N is 250, you got N is 250, that is what is asked, N is 250. Which of the following is correct? You are asked to find the correct value for n. N is, this is wrong, n is between 243 and 252 is correct. So, our answer is the second option. We shall provide you more clips on mathematics. Wait for that. I hope you enjoyed and learned. Thank you very much.